My name is Paul Heidebrecht, and I'm teaching PACS 290, Peace, Justice, and Technology. I'm really excited to bring a course like this to the University of Waterloo because I think it's going to be digging into some of the most pressing issues that peace builders are facing in our world today. Issues raised by technologies like social media and artificial intelligence that are accelerating polarization and conflict, but also all kinds of creative efforts to bring technology to bear to support the efforts of peace builders in creative ways to addressing some of our most pressing challenges. Students in this class will hear from lots of voices beyond my own, experts from local contexts and global contexts who are using technology to advance peace and justice or thinking critically about the role of technology in preventing the advancement of peace and justice. They will also have the chance to participate in-class activities and exercises where they get direct exposure to some of the tools and approaches that these remarkable people are developing. So sign up for PACS 290 before it's too late.